Water covers over 70% of the Earth's surface, and diving is one of the many ways to explore what our beautiful planet has to offer. Diving deeper and exploring further is always the diver's pursuit. Explore adventures underwater in a whole new way with the WhiteShark MixPro underwater scooter from Sublue. WhiteShark MixPro is incredibly lightweight and powerful, weighing only 3.55 kilograms, making it easier to do flips and spins underwater. With 2 speed options, you can go 1.2 meters per second to take in the breathtaking view that surrounds you, or as fast as 1.8 meters per second to race with fishes underwater. It is the perfect diving companion to help you conserve your energy and explore further with ease. Document all your adventures underwater without having to purchase expensive underwater filming equipment. Just mount your phone or action camera onto your WhiteShark MixPro and start capturing everything you see. It also comes with a detachable buoyancy regulator. Enjoy snorkeling without worrying about losing your underwater companion. Or, if you prefer to scuba dive, simply detach the buoyancy regulator to venture down to 40 meters below the surface. WhiteShark MixPro is thoroughly tested for sealing, salt corrosion, and sand-resistant performance. This makes WhiteShark MixPro more reliable and durable than the most competitive underwater scooter in the market. WhiteShark MixPro is equipped with LED lights, indicating the running status and low battery alert. Powered by a lithium battery, it lasts up to 60 minutes underwater and fully recharges in just 2 hours. The battery is compact and flight-safe. Travel around the world with your new companion. WhiteShark MixPro revolutionizes the way you explore underwater. Back us today to dive deeper and explore further.